Hello there, it's Scott Melger with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our newest listings, a 2007 Tige 24VE. Sitting on a nice tandem axle trailer. It's got a nice tower up top here. Nice teak swim platform. Lots of storage on the back of the boat here. Traditional nose on it. There you go. We'll go ahead and we'll jump up on inside and show you the inside. Hello, here we are on the inside of this 2007 Tige 24VE. See, this is a very nice swim platform back here. Some storage in the back. Nice little walk-through that comes into the cockpit area. Very nice spacious cockpit area here. Kind of circling all the way around, all the way up into the large open bow. And you can see there. And you, of course, got your nice driver's helm here with all your controls. Boat is rated for 16 people, so plenty of room for all your friends. It does have a nice Bimini top as well as the full tower. Boat is equipped with the 340 horsepower Vortec engine. And there you have it. This is our newest listing, a 2007 Tige 24VE.